All right, man. Good morning to y'all, Nick. You know what I'm saying? Um, I we both got up from our little naps and whatnot. So I'm gonna put on some clothes. I'm gonna go brush my teeth, and then we're gonna go on this little hike. Um, let me see. Yeah, right now it's some good weather. It was raining like a motherfucker last night. So yeah, man. Okay, so now we're about to go ahead to the little hiking spot. You want some water, gang?
I got my big water.
I bet that. So we better go hike there right now. So and then yeah, that shit's clean as fuck.
Day. I used to wake up and pray. Grandma was fighting for her like an eyes, but do I did not want to see her that way. I didn't sing, ain't have a thing. Ain't when I asked mama, I used to rob. They used to tell me, little boy, get a job to the scene. It's over, then I used to knock. Come around clean, come around cool. Deep in the streets, so that was a facade. I see my.
All right, so we basically just got to the little spot. We're at this place called St. Edward's Park and Trail. Supposedly there's like a little waterfall, but we'll see if we can find out, motherfucker. But it's like a look at that nigga. But yeah, this is what it's looking like right here. So we're gonna try to hike it for a little bit, see what it's talking about. Yeah. Holy shit. Oh, dude is right there, bro. Yeah.
Walk up. Well, y'all already doing that.
Yeah, bro. Oh, you see that fish jump? Dude, that was incredible, bro. What the fuck? Hey, my nigga, just be careful now. You know how to swim? Shit, me neither, bro. Bro, we might be cooked. Yeah, let's go. Let's go ahead. Go up, but keep going. Yeah. Yeah. This motherfucker.
Just keep in mind our shoes are kind of
Yeah, it's a little slippery. Damn. I seen the fish jump right here somewhere. It was like right there. Wow. Holy shit. I ain't gonna lie, this is looking kind of beautiful as fuck. Huh? Oh, there's steps? I wonder if you can fish here. Oh look, there used to be like a little thing where people would you see that little swing? Yeah. Beautiful. All right, so we just kind of like left that spot right there. There's still a lot more. Yeah, I showed them little Nick. There's still like a lot more to explore. So we'll see what huh? Let's go straight. Shit.
Yeah, hopefully if we Remember the way back spot.
No, for real, bro. We might be cut, gang.
There's literally no like directions, nothing, bro.
Nothing, bro. Shit. But at least we can say that we've seen a beautiful sight, view or whatnot.
Somehow you turned around. The first time you came here.
Yeah, man. I don't know, okay? It's a nice little creek. Wow. Oh, wow.
Well, it's not walker friendly.
Oh, I think we parked over there, no?
Way up there, though.
Holy shit. You want to go back over there or go on the road?
It's up to you.
Yeah, let's just go back.
Dude, this way?
Yeah, this way. Shit. Hopefully we don't see no vicious animals, man. No snakes. You out of it? You out of here? Nigga. Snakes are faster than humans?
I don't know about faster than humans, but I think it's faster than dogs.
Can people outrun a snake? Yeah, that's true. But I'm pretty sure you can, because that motherfucker just like slither. No? Yeah.
Swimming, nigga.
Swimming, yeah. But I wonder how fast they can. Their top speed.
Crazy.
I think that's where we came from, bro. Isn't it? It's out here. You need it. Was Africa like this? Like when you were in Burundi?
Yeah, when you go like, obviously you have like the whole village area,
The whole what?
like village area,
Village? Uh-huh.
and then you go into the wild areas and you keep out of.
Oh.
Even like some of the roots of these trees are massive. So I'm like shook by like a lot of it. It's like I didn't think like you could see some shit like it.
Especially in Austin of all places.
Yeah.
I think this shows like the little arrow to go back.
You wanna do that?
Yeah, let's go. I think we might be lost, brother.
We're going the right way.
No, bro. We are actually, yeah, we might be. Let me see. Nah, bro. Yeah, we might be lost. We might be lost, man. Shit.
Okay, man. You wanna see that black car?
Oh yeah, it is. What the fuck? I'm tweaking. God damn, like a motherfucker. Okay, so we were able to find our way, you know. But our shoes are dirty as hell, muddy as hell too. So now we're gonna go. Is it just me? Are you sweating too or no?
It's starting to get warm.
Yeah, my internal temperature is like up there, bro.
Yeah, you sweating like a motherfucker.
Like a motherfucker, boy. Shit.
Shit. Should we get in the truck? Which
Okay, so we just got to the second location. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, this motherfucker is beautiful, bro. You'll see, like, I came here before, so
you actually finished this one?
nah,
Finished none.
I finished none of them.
Right.
I'm a quitter.
But
No, literally.
turn around like the first second.
Shit, man. Any sign of danger, I'm gone. You're gonna have to catch me.
You have to catch my dog.
Yeah.
Crazy. They had trails like this.
Did they?
Yeah, that's why I'm like, damn, like, I'm surprised this shit's like in fucking like Boston, bro.
Yeah, bro.
But yeah, before you got or after you got to the waterfall, like there's different trails, and they lead you into like the foresty areas, and you see this.
And Kirigal? How do you say it?
Garden.
Kirigari.
Wait, actually,
I'm ashamed of myself, bro. That's Burundi, and I don't even.
No, that's sorry.
That's Tanzania, no?
No, that's I think I got the name wrong. It's not Kiligan. Kiligan is probably the hotel.
Oh,
I think it's Kidera Falls.
Kidera Falls.
Some shit, bro.
Mm-hmm.
I'm getting my names mixed up.
In Burundi?
Yeah, in Burundi.
In Burundi.
In Burundi, feeling like America.
Mm-hmm. No, non so voce. Non ne vanno come già siamo in Africa can. Yeah?
2020, 55, wait,
20
28.
you got we'll just in 2028.
Yeah.
We'll get an end.
Little father young.
What happened to your community, gang? C'era così, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, not jail, but I think it can get faster than Nikuko. When I'm going out almost every day. So, there was in Chokito on the chat, a kidding in the chat. There you go.
There you go.
Oh, now.
But yeah, wait.
Nobody.
I'm Joe na numwe Joe nda Kibuga.
Ukivugana.
No ne bibazo. Where they always like na numwe Joe nda bibana.
None abavyeyi bawe niho vuga ikirundi.
Oya, tuba turavuga English, turamixing ibikirundi, ibiswahili, byose turamixing, you know?
Oh.
So, hari ibibazo ngaho kubera like we're not consistent with one language, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, so
Okay.
we mix it all.
Okay.
If they understand me, I understand them.
Yeah, that's the most important part. Yeah.
Like I want to stay there for like 3 months. I feel like if I stay there that long, I can obviously like obtain it back at a very high level, you know?
Really, you think so?
Yeah, because I was just being there a month, I was picking it back up a lot.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Mm.
'Cause I got you had to use it on an everyday basis, you know?
Yeah.
Whether it was getting on taxis, whether it was on like trying to order food.
Yeah.
French and Kirundi was the main two languages.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I picked up a lot from that experience.
Did the people you went with, did they also speak fluent Kirundi?
Pretty much, yeah. I was the only person that was kind of like on the learning curve, I guess. That didn't know everything.
Yeah.
But everyone else, yeah.
How was the like the money exchange value?
Oh, that was crazy, bro.
Was it?
Like $1 is like fucking 7,500, bro.
Really?
Yeah, I swear to God.
Oh, so
And that gets you a lot, like over there. Like you can, Like you can have a meal for $2.
Oh wow.
Yeah, so like you can fucking eat $2 a meal. So what is that, like $6 a day?
Yeah.
For breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and that's eating out. So if you're buying groceries, you can, I don't know, maybe spend that $6 and last, I don't know, a couple weeks, you know?
Yeah.
But, you know, we was eating out like almost every day. Well, we had breakfast at home, you know?
Yeah.
We did the whole tea and everything. And,
Try.
yeah.
There you go.
We actually had, what do they call them? Like, they had like the me, Sarah, Blandon, like we'd always go out and try some new shit, you know?
Yeah. Dude, that's amazing, bro. Like, you know, I was talking to this one of my she's one of my mom's supporters. She comes to buy for my mom a lot, and she's kind of like she's successful out here in America, and she was telling me how in Africa, like she was telling me to build my wealth over here, so that when I go back to Africa to kind of retire, I will have like chefs, drivers, security. I will have everything, you know,
Yeah.
and have a fat ass mansion.
Yeah, that's what a lot of them do, like that are successful.
Yeah.
Well, not that are successful. Like if you just have a little bit of money in America and take it over there, like it'd be fine.
Yeah. But how did it feel like having like your own personal chef in your home?
It was cool, bro. I didn't utilize it as much as I did, but it was cool. But I kind of had the feeling that something like that can be affordable, you know?
Yeah.
So it was cool. It was cool having a personal driver because getting around is kind of a problem.
Really?
Yeah, 'cause there's no like, yeah, buses flow like every few minutes, but there's no way to track that. You know what I mean? There's no. It's not like here where you can go. Where you can go on Google Maps or Maps and know what time the bus stop is gonna come or the bus is gonna come. There's no few buttons that you can click in the Ubers at your house or Lyft, you know?
Yeah.
So it's like you gotta go out to the street and find those people, unless you have contact with those people. You gotta like contact those people and say, hey, like I need a ride or whatnot. So it's very convenient to have a driver. If you don't have a driver over there when you go, it's kind of complicated to get around.
Yeah, sounds like it.
Cab.
Yeah. Kind of cool. Oh yeah, they have a lot of minerals.
Minerals,
natural resources.
yeah, like a lot of shit that like Apple needs.
Yeah, the cobalt. That's in Congo though.
Right, but it's still in Africa. You know?
Yeah.
So a lot of the stuff that these huge countries need is in Africa.
I think that's what that whole war was in Congo. Because a lot of people are realizing their well. So do you know about Burkina Faso?
Nah.
Yeah, bro. So they tried to assassinate the president of Burkina Faso. They tried to assassinate him multiple times, but they failed, and like the whole country was in an uproar. So a lot of
Who tried to assassinate?
this U.S. general, this black dude, is a black dude at that, bro. That tried to assassinate him. He's like a military figure or something in the U.S.
Yeah.
But yeah, bro, the country was in uproar. They were ready to go to war, bro, over that nigga. Cause the reason why they try to assassinate, yeah, he's a real nigga, bro. The reason why they try to assassinate him is because he's bringing a lot of reform, and he's like he made education free. He's doing a lot.
Should have been free. I mean, if it's an African, it should be free.
But he was doing a.
To be fair, I know what you mean, like going to college and stuff.
Yeah. But he was trying to liberate the country, bro, and the U.S. they can't have that, bro. And if not the U.S., other countries like France or Germany, you know, because you know they can't have it. So, but anyways, a lot of the
control.
yeah. So a lot of the African leaders they came together, and they're starting to actually like know their worth. So they're coming together to fight against their oppressors. You know what I mean? Which is beautiful, man. Yeah, man. Good morning. But man, I wonder what's in here. It looks like it's just green water, bro. Yeah, that's nasty as fuck. That's another one up there. I wonder why it's enclosed off.
What if they throw bodies in there, bro?
The what?
Throw bodies in there.
The throw boat?
Like throwing bodies in there.
Oh, bodies. Yeah, that would be crazy, bro. Yeah, I think we can't.
Like getting rid of you and then throwing your ass up, you know?
Yeah. Only time will tell, man. Oh, that's neat. You wanna go down there? Bro, look out for Toda. There you go. When niggas taking like some pics and shit. Dude. This is so beautiful. It's incredible, man. Oh, shit. Yeah.
Walk through that, man.
See, I'm gonna cover my mouth and nose. Oh. Oh, there's still some of my skin on my face, bro. Those little, what are those like little life flies? Shit.
Y otras en carro, pero se me ha de mirar.
All right, so we just finished our hike. So now, hell yeah, bro. I think the last time I checked, it was like 4,000 steps.
That's crazy.
So by the end of the night, we're probably gonna hit like 20, maybe. Shit. Shit. Yeah. No, it's not. It's open. Hell yeah. So now we're just gonna go back to the house. We gotta change, and then we gotta go to the football. We're gonna go play football. Okay, so we stopped at Circle K. I don't know if you can see that, bro. But he went inside to go get he wants to get an energy drink, and then he's gonna give me like a little Gatorade. A little Gatorade Powerade, you know? And then we gotta go to my house, change, and then we gotta go hit the football field. So we got a long stack day ahead of us, bro. So yeah, man. Alright, so as it turns out, the football game was postponed for next week. So we're gonna do the next activity. Now that we don't have that football game. Okay, so I just hopped out of the shower. We came to my house. I went in the shower. We're charging our phone. He's talking to his you know what I mean? So I just hopped out of the shower. He's gonna go hop in the shower, and then we're gonna go to San Marcos because we're gonna go do a helicopter ride. So I'm excited about that, bro. And then tomorrow is gonna be another long day, bro. Like long day. We're gonna go to this city that's like a little bit 2 hours out of Austin. I forget the name of it, but we're gonna go to. I'll tell you when we get to that point tomorrow. So, but yeah, I'm gonna sit over here, watch maybe some anime, charge my phone, and then wait for him to finish his shower, and then we're gonna go to brunch, and then we're gonna go to the helicopter ride. He doesn't know that we're gonna go to the helicopter ride, so he's in for a treat, you know. So, yeah, man. All right, bro. All right, so my dog got out of the shower. We about to go eat some brunch, and then we're gonna go to the next activity. Okay, so right now we're heading to the brunch spot, and I'll show you when we get over there. Damn, bro, you can kind of see like almost the whole of the downtown. It's beautiful, low key.
Texas, we were Texas lane. That's crazy.
Yeah.
State capital.
Oh, that's a beautiful shot. Okay, so we just got to the restaurant right now. So you're gonna wear those, or you're gonna wear the shoes?
I wear slides if you wear slides.
Alright, got that. So the restaurant we're going to is called Paper Boy. That's it right there. Yeah, no. Well, we're seated. Here's the menu. So we opted to sit outside. So we ended up coming back inside.
Mano, made this happen. And then, shit, what if they don't take that one?
All right, so we just left. The food was delicious. Yeah, the food was really good. I personally rated it 9 out of 10. What did you give it?
I also give it a 9 as well. Like I said, I would give it like 8, but I think the servers went out of their way to bring like extra free treats.
Yeah.
So we got a lot of free treats. Kind of bumped it from an 8 to a 9. But it's a good experience. It was good food.
Yeah, it really was. I got their like biscuit and their chicken and biscuit, and oh God, their chicken was good, bro. That shit was good, bro. God, I'm not gonna lie, I will look come back here and get it again, like on a regular basis.
Regular basis is crazy.
Yeah,
but
bro.
I get what you mean.
Yeah, it was good.
Yeah.
How the shoes, shit.
Yeah, come home. Yeah.
All right, so but now we're going to our next activity. So we just made it to our destination. Look, I don't know if you can see that. So we gotta go. We gotta go to the office and pay for our ride or whatnot. Bro, look, you see that helicopter landing? We better go get in that motherfucker. Okay. So that's the look, those two just came out of that motherfucker. But that's the helicopter we're gonna be in right there. That shit is hard, huh? Nigga. So we better go do the ride right now too. Oh, this like the safety stuff right here.
Just gonna picture this in and then I'll throw it out there too.
Oh.
Right, yeah, right there.
Okay, so we finished with our ride, so now we're about to go make our way to San Antonio. So yeah, that was a great experience. I'm not gonna lie, it was amazing. It was quick as hell, bro. Like, dude, that shit was quick, bro. It felt like 30 seconds, bro. How do you feel about it?
Huge uptax, bro. Let's start off with that shit, bro. But fuck it, that shit was dope. Never been in a helicopter. Never even been that close to a helicopter.
Yeah.
I think it was a great experience.
Yeah.
I think it was a great experience. I just would have liked to go way longer, way further. If we come back next time, we'll have our money up and we'll.
Yeah. Because that shit was looking expensive than a bitch. God damn. I wasn't $14 in tax, bro.
Man.
God.
Yeah, the tax was crazy, bro.
Yeah,
I was
bro.
like, wait, what the fuck? How does that add up? Like, we're paying almost 30% higher, bro. Like, that's crazy.
Yeah.
But it was a good experience. Great experience.
Yeah, it was. It was.
Yeah. Oh, that nigga. That's all I knew when America, bro. And he falls, bro. But when he fell, he was holding up this heavy ass door, bro.
Door?
Yeah, like this fucking metal looking door.
Alright, so we just got to the second activity or the second spot of the day. So we're about to go check in. I already bought the reservation online, so hopefully we don't gotta wait in that long ass line, bro. But we'll see. Okay, so we just got on the ride. There's money in the back. Look at my nigga right there. Oh. So look, I'm going up this little hill, bro. This is so awesome, bro. And then this is how you go forward, and then back is to obviously do the brakes. Well, look at that. My nigga Simmons all the way behind me. Look, there's a huge dip coming. Oh. Oh. This is so awesome, bro. And look at the scene. Okay, here we go. Okay, things about to speed up. Top speed. Oh shit. Oh. Oh. Whoa. Wait, they're getting married over there. Oh shit. Oh. Oh shit. Oh. Whoa. Oh. Oh. Whoa. Whoa. Oh shit. Oh. Oh. Whoa. Yo. Oh. Oh shit. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh! Oh! Ew! That's my dog right there. How you fucking with it so far, bro?
Yeah, I fuck with it.
You fucking?
The views is crazy, man.
I'm pushing it, but it's not going. Okay, perfect. It's gonna go again fast?
Yeah, you'll go get past it. When you get on the other side, I can go.
Oh, perfect.
Does it go faster?
It'll go past it.
Oh! Okay. It's going back up, my boy. I'm gonna see you at the finish line. Yeah. So we're just like slowly, like, just. What new shit, gang? Oh. Yeah? Bro, that's awesome, brother. Look, no hands. Ego Mahunga, yeah.
Crazy, man.
So I think we're gonna go around that loop right there. You wanna see the people that are having a wedding? Congratulations on your wedding! Yo! Slow down, track ends and 100 feet. Damn. I'm so sad this has to end, bro. And look at my truck. Look at that little sexy little beast. Sexy little vixen. And now we're going up again. We're going up this incline again. Once again, no hands. I'm using my feet to like pilot this motherfucker. Dude, this is so awesome, bro. Look at this view, bro. That's a camera. Look at this, bro. This is incredible. Okay, so we about to go hit the fast zone once again, bro. Holy shit, yeah. That was awesome, bro.
That was cool.
You fuck with it? Yeah. And then this like shows like the little videos or whatnot. So we're about to see. That's,
Did you get to see the view from?
hell yeah, bro.
That shit was crazy.
It was beautiful, bro. It was beautiful.
What'd you do with your car?
I put it back in the little box. Yeah. You want to keep that shit? Yeah. Pretty much my video was like a POV of me vlogging for these niggas.
Oh,
Literally the whole thing, bro.
Damn, that's crazy.
Shit.
That's hard.
Hell yeah. Yeah, man. Look, they have a whole water fountain and everything too. I mean, water park. Yeah, bro. Cybertrucko. Oh, dang it. Watch you on you. Yeah, bro. Ain't bad.
Especially in my position, all I gotta do is drive around.
Hell yeah, that's what's up, man. Do you get to do all the activities for free? Nice.
Yeah,
Nice.
that's alright.
Do we get tips on doing this?
No, I don't get it. Now I just drive around like this shit.
Oh, dude, that's awesome, bro.
I was
Shit, hell yeah, boy. Yeah. Wait, right?
Or here in Texas?
Yeah, that's good.
I've been here for about 4 months, 5 months.
Yeah.
I put on like 10 pounds already, but I'm sitting around doing it.
Really?
Yeah.
All right. So that concludes our activity for today, at least. Now we're gonna go drive back to Austin. You know?
This is really San Antonio, bro?
Yeah, we're in San Antonio, brother. Yeah. Okay, so now we're just heading back to Austin. We're gonna conclude our night at the house, man. So let's go back to Austin, man. How would you rate your experience over here?
Man, this spot is cool, man. I feel like, it's definitely a spot you would come like with your family and shit,
Yeah.
But I love it, it gave me ideas if I ever have my own little tribe, you know what I mean?
Yeah, I like that. I like
To
that.
bring them over here because it's lit. I mean, if you look over there's an arts and crafts, like some shit with arts and crafts that, the fam could do.
Yeah.
Like, there's just like so much little shit around.
Yeah.
Definitely, if I'm in Austin or close to Austin, because I know we're like
Yeah, we're in
an
the
hour
middle.
away.
Yeah.
Definitely come back here, bro.
Hell yeah.
Dope
Yeah.
experience.
Yeah, it was dope.
Nigga, I'm hungry.
Hey, yeah. We're stopping at QT because I wanna give me a little drink. This nigga, he has never heard of Buc-ee's, bro.
That's a Texas thing, bro.
Bro, Buc-ee's is huge, bro. They're building one in Arizona, bro. You crazy as hell, boy. I'm trying to put him on game with Buc-ee's. So I got me like a water, and then oh shit, I almost dropped his. He got some ice. So we just made it back to my residence, to the palace. So we're just gonna let our body rejuvenate for a little bit, and then we're gonna do our next activity, which is gonna be at the house. So right now we're gonna walk to the Dollar Tree, because we're about to have a little cooking competition, and we're gonna.
With a Dollar Tree food?
No, we're gonna buy the pre-made rice, so we don't have to cook the rice. So, yeah. Okay, so this is the stuff that we kind of got. We're about to go check out, and then we're gonna go back to the house. So I'm gonna see y'all back in my residence. All right. All right. So just made it back to the my residence. We're about to start cooking and shit. Due to the lack of storage on my phone, bro, I'm not gonna be able to show you. I'll try to show you like the final products, but we're gonna cook some chicken, rice, pizza, and we're gonna make some brownies. So 4 things: chicken, rice, brownie, and pizza. So I'll try to show you that stuff if my phone allows it. So yeah. All right. So this is what my chicken is looking like, and that's his right there. Yeah, I turned it on the stove already. So yeah. You want more? It's already kind of like it already has a little bit of seasoning, so we'll have to overdo it with the seasoning. It's up to you though. I think we'll do mine stove top as well.
I tried in Utah.
Oh, these are good, but these shits they bust.
More like I'm saying, I don't think I made it right.
Oh yeah. It's all like a mixing game with what? Just kind of like you just follow.
Very foreign to me, that's what I can tell by the way I'm looking at it. Very, very foreign. So, where's the peppers and stuff like that? Tomatoes, none of that?
We have some in the fridge.
You don't throw any of that on? So we do that?
Typically, when I cook a big dish, yeah, I throw some bell peppers. So, all that shit.
Like I said, you're keeping it simple, rice and just straight.
Yeah.
Cut that shit.
And the what? You wanna get the eggs? Yeah. The cost of 2 eggs. It should be like on the top. Yeah, bro. I don't like eggs, bro.
Never even do this kind of squirrel.
Yeah, it's like I think like 6, right? 6 eggs. Yeah. But look, there's 6 eggs. I've only used 2.
That's great.
Yeah, bro.
That's great. Definitely something. I don't know why it's like eggs are like.
So just get 2, crack them, and put them in there. This nigga. Did you just do that shit at the corner of the island? Yeah. It's foreign to you for sure. You can do it right here.
I didn't know this would be hard enough.
This fucking guy, bro.
More nigga. You do it with spoon or do you do it with your hands?
I'm gonna do it with a spoon. But you gotta put oil in there too. So get the little measuring cup. Yeah. Try to get it to be like you can pick it up and then like just like that shit. No. You gotta keep mixing it more. It's gonna be kind of liquidy, kind of. Yeah. Yeah, there we go. Feel the same way.
Keep your blinky tucking, hustle, bro, don't never keep your bitch in front of that bitch, cause she gon' wipe your nose. Red rum, yeah. Red rum. Everybody's getting drunk and make it face come. Yeah, it's that red rum.
Make some for you, bro. I'm a bit lactose.
Are you? Oh shit, bro.
That'll be fun though. Yeah. But if I'm in the bathroom, minutes afterwards, I'm eating a while.
You're gonna be that motherfucker just
Going.
nigga going, boy.
See him looking bald too. See him looking bald. Different names.
Shit, I just remember I gotta do
So we're basically finishing our night with the little pizzas and shit. You know, you fucking with it?
I'm fucking with it, Pop.
Yeah.
Crust hits different.
Yeah.
Made by yours truly. Lady Na.
Hadamu. All right, bro. I'm gonna go ahead and call it a night, man. Thank you for watching, and I'm gonna see you in the next vlog, man.